हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard Shri Saurabh Pratap Singh, Learned Counsel for Petitioner and Learned Standing Counsel for Respondents, state full stop para. This writ petition has been filed seeking quashing of the order dated 19/7/2020 passed by District Magistrate Chandauli, Respondent number 2 full stop para. It is contended that petitioner is an elected Pradhan of village Revasa, Block Sakaldiha, District Chandauli full stop. It appears that a complaint was filed by one Ajay Kumar Singh against petitioner under Rule 3 of the Uttar Pradesh Panchayat Raj (removal of Pradhans, Up Pradhans and members inquiry rules 1997 full stop). Acting on the said complaint, District Magistrate constituted a 3-member committee nominating District Horticulture Officer Chandauli along with one Assistant Engineer Public Works Department Chandauli as member of the Preliminary Inquiry Committee full stop. Copy of the Constitution of Inquiry Committee has been brought on record as Annexure 1 to the writ petition full stop. It appears that said committee submitted its report, acting on which a show cause notice was issued by District Magistrate to the petitioner, requiring him to reply the same within 2 weeks full stop. As the petitioner failed to do so, Respondent number 1 proceeded to pass an order on 19/7/2020 seizing the financial and administrative power of petitioner and constituted a 2-member committee comprising of District Inspector of Schools, Chandauli and Executive Engineer, Rural Engineering Chandauli as member for conducting an inquiry and submitting its report within 2 months full stop para. Shri Singh contended that under Rule 2C of 1997 rules, read with Rules 4 and 5, only district level officer could be appointed as a member of the inquiry committee and an assistant engineer cannot be appointed member of an inquiry committee full stop. He has relied upon certain decisions of this court, especially on a decision of full bench of this court in the case of Vivekanand Yadav versus State of UP, 2010 (10 ADJ 1:2011 (1 AWC 488 (FB), as well as the judgment rendered by Lucknow bench of this court in miscellaneous single number 984 of 2019 Salim Khan versus State of UP and another decided on 24/4/2019, wherein the court held that an assistant engineer was not a district level officer and the action of district magistrate including him in the inquiry committee stood vitiated full stop para. Reliance was also placed on a decision rendered by this court in Mahmood Ansari versus State of UP and others 2019 (2 ADJ 381:2019 (2 AWC 1913), which held as under para. This court, on the perusal of the act and the rules, is of the clear view that an elected representatives can be removed only and strictly in accordance with law, and in this regard the law which provides for removal of an elected representative has to be strictly construed full stop. The inquiry report dated 18/4/2018 being conducted by 2 persons is not contemplated either under the act or the rules, and furthermore the assistant engineer DRDA is not even district level officer as contemplated under Rule 2 (C) of the said rules full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है 120 के इस 120 की स्पीड में, ठीक है। और 2 मिनट का गैप लेते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेशन के लिए। तो जो लोग इस चैनल पे नए हो वो सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें, लाइक शेयर कर दें, ठीक है। और जो पुराने हैं वो भूल से ना किए हो तो कर दें, ठीक है। और कमेंट्स में अपने अच्छे बुरे कमेंट्स बताइएगा, क्या चीज़ें और अच्छी हो सकती हैं। ओके, तो अभी 5वां मिनट शुरू हो रहा है, ठीक है। 1 मिनट के बाद और मतलब 6वें मिनट से, क्योंकि लिखते लिखते में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। कुछ लोगों ने कहा है कि 2 मिनट का, 1.5 से 2 मिनट का गैप दीजिए। ओके, तो चलिए फिर स्टार्ट। Heard Shri Gopal Swarup Chaturvedi, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Shri Aishwarya Pratap Singh, Learned Counsel for Petitioners, Shri T.P. Singh, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Shri Anupam Kumar, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 4, and Learned AGA for Respondents 1, 2, and 3, full stop para. This writ petition under Article 226 of Constitution of India has been filed by petitioners all working in Indian Institute of Technology in bracket hereinafter referred to as IIT bracket out with a prayer to issue a writ of certiorari to quash first information report in bracket hereinafter referred to as FIR bracket out registered as case crime number 1283 of 2018 under sections 500 IPC, section 66D of Information Technology Act 2000 in bracket hereinafter referred to as Act 2000 bracket out amended by Information Technology in bracket Amendment Act 2008 in bracket hereinafter referred to as Amendment Act 2008 and section 3 in bracket 2 in bracket 5A of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes in bracket Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 as amended in 2015 in bracket hereinafter referred to as Act 1989 at Police Station Kanpur District Kanpur Nagar full stop para. Shri Gopal Swarup Chaturvedi, Learned Senior Counsel, contended that even if allegations contained in FIR are taken to be true offences under aforesaid sections are not made out and therefore entire proceedings against petitioners pursuant to aforesaid FIR are wholly illegal and amounts to gross abuse of process of law full stop para. Thus, we have to consider whether offences under the provisions wherein FIR has been registered are made out or not full stop. For this purpose, it will be appropriate to reproduce the contents of FIR as under para. Sir, first my name is Subramaniam Sadrela and my appointment was made in the Aerospace Department IIT Kanpur on 28th December 2017 full stop. Second, before this the IIT Kanpur had advertised the special drive for recruitment related to SC/ST/SOBC/PWD category faculties in all departments and I had applied under the drive full stop. I have done my post graduation and PhD from IIT Kanpur full stop. Third, as a process of the recruitment by IIT Kanpur, I was called in October 2017 to participate in a seminar at the Aerospace Engineering Department full stop. During the seminar, Dr. Ishan Sharma, Chemical Engineering Department, made comment against me and while leading a group, he kept making comments against me full stop. Through statements, he declared me a person of low intelligence. I felt frightened and disgraced full stop. Despite this, I tried my best to give replies to the questions because I had knowledge and speciality on the subject of which I had given my presentation at national and international level full stop. Fourth, despite attempt of Dr. Ishan Sharma to show me in poor light, the department and the institution had recommended my candidature full stop. Thereafter, a committee of the external specialists conducted in this respect an examination on 26 January 2017 and recommended for my appointment, full stop. After recommendation by chairman of the board, appointment letter was issued to me on 28th December 2017, full stop. I took charge on 1st January 2018, full stop. 5th, on 4/1/2018, immediately after I joined the department, Shri Sanjay Mittal, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, ठीक है, 120 119 की स्पीड में, ओके। इसमें थोड़े, इसमें ब्रैकेट्स और स्लैशेस ज़्यादा आ गए थे, ठीक है, तो थोड़ी स्पीड डाउन हो गई होगी, लेकिन उनकी वजह से कैलकुलेट करें अगर, क्योंकि उसमें मैंने ब्रैकेट्स और स्लैश काउंट नहीं किए हैं वर्ड्स में, ठीक है, हालांकि वो करना चाहिए क्योंकि उसको भी बोला जाता है, तो इस वजह से ये लगभग 120 की स्पीड में है डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। फिर कमेंट्स करके बताइएगा, अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं। थैंक यू।